Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at this sort of budget entry-level LG Ultra HD 4K TV, 50 inches, retails about at the minute £300 in the UK. So this is just going to be just a quick setup unboxing guide. Not going to go into too much detail. So at the rear we've got like the power, and then you've got your connections, so the rear right hand side, optical out, network cables, satellite and aerial, HDMI 1 and 2 and 3, and then your common interface. The sort of legs rather than a stand is just two legs that's clip underneath the TV and is secured by 2 screws. Pretty straightforward. And then this is it fully set up. As you can see, you've got a slimline plug for the power on the left TV's left hand side, and all the connections on the right. And this is the sort of boot up when you first switch it on. And then you've just got basic protection on the frame, no sort of screen protection to peel off. And this is the EPG programming guide. You can see fairly standard setup, and some basic dims once it's all set up. So about 60mm height of the TV from the table, and the leg itself is about 235 front to back. And the overall height is probably about 720 with the stand, and then length is about 1130 left to right. And then the viewing angle, it's not too bad, fairly good. Just doing a quick pan and sweep. At the minute we've got some tennis in Wimbledon showing, yeah, that's your lot. Thanks for watching.